Is your Toyota Camry overheating or leaking coolant? Let's fix it right now. Today, I'll show you how to replace the electric water pump on a Toyota Camry. This small part plays a huge role in keeping your engine cool. When the water pump fails, you'll notice overheating, coolant leaks, or even engine damage if ignored. We'll start by removing the bolts, disconnecting the pump, and carefully installing the new one. With the right socket set and a little patience, you can do this repair at home. No need for expensive shop visits. If you found this guide helpful,